Here we are in beautiful Pagosa Springs, Colorado. I'm here with our primary researcher, Anna Jang.
My name is Anna Jang. As you see, I'm an EB major. And I'm here to do my second thesis.
And I'm Bear Grylls, and we're gonna get ready to find some good grub in the wilderness. I hope there's poop around.
We are here looking for the famous Derpderp, which
Known for its delectable hair products, which we can eat and use for survival at any moment.
she derps probably 20 to 30 times a day.
Derps all around for everyone.
Anna, do you spot a Derpderp anywhere?
Trying to see.
No. Do you see any tracks?
Oh my gosh!
Quiet. Wild one.
She's doing her typical mating call.
Let's try. Someone tried to respond. Stop, stop! Stop, stop! Stop, stop! Stop, stop, stop!
The Derpderp always knows where a good source of food is.
And a good source of food is
She just did it up.
bedwood.
Bedwood. Oh, that is another animal I am trying to research.
Wherever there is a Derpderp, you are sure to find a bedwood as well.
Be careful with bedwood. If you get chances upon you, unsuspected, he may drag you into the bedwood depths of the bed. Let's go.
Come on. But be very quiet. Bedwood is very shy. Does not like to be spotted, especially by the Derpderp. And you can usually find him peeking in the bushes. Okay, let's go. There's the golden mouse. Yes. The Derpderp is following us. I don't know, guys. She's easily stuck too.
It's perfect bait for the bedwood.
Okay. Just be quiet. She'll come back.
Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going.
This means we're going in the right
I
direction.
spot one.
Bedwoods.
Creeping tactfully from the trees. Known to send indiscreet emails
When the Derpderp
and
does
messages.
her mating call, he will start slowly making his way. Just watch.
Stop, stop. Come on, Bedwood. Come on, don't be shy.
There's bound to be some delicious grubs nearby.
Wait, I need to take pictures of my thesis project.
But the Derpderp could just do her mating call again.
Derp, derp.